To duplicate a project in CapCut, you will want to be in the main menu, where all your projects are listed. Hover your cursor over the project you wish to copy and click on the three dots that appear. This will allow you to select the duplicate option. Once you click it, CapCut will add a new copy of your project into your main menu. This will allow you to keep all of your edits, such as color grading and effects to add to your next project. You can also achieve this by right-clicking the project, then selecting Duplicate. The Duplicate project will contain the word copy in the title.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, Comet creators. End transmission.